Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover demonstrative pronouns. Now there is a separate playlist of pronouns in English language on my channel, the link of which will be available right in the description box for you to check. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, those and these. There are four types of demonstrative pronouns, that is this, that, those and these. Demonstrative pronouns are used to replace specific people or things that have been previously mentioned. So basically a demonstrative pronoun tells us whether it is replacing something singular or plural and whether the things are close by or far away. Basically they have the task, they do the task of pointing or specifying when replacing it. So demonstrative pronouns identify or point out. Okay, have a look at these examples here. Those were the days when we led a carefree life. He says this only to annoy them. There is no question of that. So here those, this and that are demonstrative pronouns. But remember that the position of a pronoun is before or after a verb. Okay, the position of a pronoun is either before or after a verb, or it can be after a preposition. Okay, as is shown in these examples. See, those were the days when we led a carefree life. So here were is the verb, so the demonstrative pronoun is coming before the verb. In the second example, he says this only to annoy them. He says this only to annoy them. So here the demonstrative pronoun is coming after the verb says, right? In the next example, there is no question of that. There is no question of that. So here the demonstrative pronoun is coming after the preposition, right? So therefore a demonstrative pronoun is either located before the verb, after the verb, and it can occur after preposition. So this, that, those, these become demonstrative adjectives when they appear just before nouns. For example, this pen, those girl, those girls, this cat. So therefore when they occur just near a noun, they become demonstrative adjectives. This and that represent singular nouns. This and that represent singular nouns. Let's talk about this. This represents something close. Okay, this represents something which is close but singular in nature. Okay, if you see this example here, this is a beautiful tree. Tree is singular and it is closed by. Something that's close by and singular is represented by this. Next up, what we have is that. So that is a demonstrative pronoun which represents something that's far away but singular, right? So if you see in this picture, the tree is far away, right? So that is a beautiful tree. Something that's far from you but therefore is singular is that. So that represents something far away yet singular in nature. Those and these represents plural nouns. Those and these represents plural nouns. So basically these represent something which is close by but plural. Okay, so have a look at this example here. These are sour strawberries. So strawberries are near to you yet they are plural. So something that is plural and is near to you is represented by these. Next comes is those. So those is a demonstrative pronoun that represents something far away, something that's far from you yet is plural in nature, yet is plural in nature. So they represent plural nouns, they replace plural nouns and those plural nouns that are far away. For example, those are juicy plums. They are plural but they are far from you. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and giving love. All the doubts can be commented in the description box. They'll be surely answered by me. All the links of important playlist will be linked down in the description box for you to check. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.